Stretching an image in Canva can be super handy when you want to emphasize the subject without changing the overall frame size. Just imagine you wanted to expand or stretch an image of yours, but you don't know how to do it. Watch this video to learn now. Alright, so let's talk about stretching images in Canva. Because sometimes you want the main character bigger, but not distorted. When you first click on an image and drag it, Canva keeps everything in proportion. But what if you want to keep the frame size the same, but make the subject a lot larger? How do you do that? Let me show you the secret. Double-click your image to open crop mode. See those little double arrows on the sides? Hold down the Shift key, grab one of those corners, and stretch away. You'll notice the image grows inside the image frame without changing the shape of the original. Let's try it again with another picture for practice. Remember, double-click the photo, hold Shift, then stretch. Now the dog is bigger, and the original frame is the same size. Click Done, and compare the two. Magic, right? Let's try it one more time with another picture. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.